What is happening, mathematicians? Today's lesson is Mission 6, Lesson 19. And in Lesson 19, we're going to be discussing the commutative property. The commutative property of addition means that a problem is going to be the same going forwards as it is going backwards. Let's also take a look at our learning target. Our learning target says, I can solve problems by using compensation. Let's find out more about what compensation is. To teach you about compensation, I'm going to use a rekenrek. The rekenrek was invented by a scientist in Holland. Rekenrek literally means counting rek. So we have counting beads. 5 are red and 5 are white. And there's some on top and bottom. So you have a top and a bottom that are 10. So you have 5 plus 5 is 10. And 10 on bottom, that makes 20 total. And the rekenrek always keeps the numbers on the right-hand side, and the numbers that move to the left are not counted. Those are excluded. So sometimes people like to cover up this side so that they can count that side. But today, I'm just going to show you this rekenrek. Now, there are 20 beads total, and I'm going to go ahead and show a certain number. How about this number right here? How many beads are there on the rekenrek? Well, you can clearly see that there's 5 red and 1 white. 5 plus 1 is 6. But what if I add 1 on the bottom and take 1 from the top? How many are there now? There's 5 red and there's 1 red on the bottom. It's still 6. I'm going to take 1 away. And I'm going to add 1 on the bottom. How many are there? 4 plus 2. What's 4 plus 2? It's still 6. It's the same number. Let's do it again. 3 plus 3. Still 6. 2 plus 4. Still 6. 1 plus 5 is still 6. And last but not least, we have 5 plus 5. Oh, wait. 6 plus 0, or 0 plus 6. There's still 6. Okay, so we've learned that compensation means that you're just taking some from one and adding them to another. Now, I'm going to show you how you can use compensation to solve bigger problems. To explore that, we'll start with something super duper easy. 3 plus 6 equals. Put that number in your head. 3 plus 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. But what if we switch it around? 6 plus 3. This is called the commutative property. The commutative property teaches us that a number can be changed around with addition and it still equals the same thing. Unfortunately, that's not true of subtraction. You can't have 6 minus 3 and 3 minus 6 equal the same thing. But with addition, 6 plus 3 and 3 plus 6 both equal 9. It doesn't matter how you do it. It equals 9 every time. But what if we do this? 9 is equal to 3 plus 6. It still works the same way. 9 is still equal to 3 plus 6 because 3 plus 6 equals 9. And it goes the other way around too. 6 plus 3. Now here's the deal. We're going to get some hard problems. 39 plus 43. It may seem like a tough problem. 3 10s, 9 1s, plus 4 10s, 3 1s. But we can use compensation. Just like the rekenrek, we can slide one 1 from this side, 42, and put it over on this side, 40. We also made a 10. That makes it a much easier problem to solve. 40 plus 42 equals 82, and that's easy. 66 plus 29. 6 tens, 6 ones, plus 2 tens, 9 ones. I can easily slide one of the numbers over, just like the Rec and Rec. 6 tens, 5 ones, plus 30. 3 tens, 0 ones. Now I've used compensation. I can easily add these two numbers together and get 95.